Alright, in the last class we considered operations with bases, and the first was addition. So today we're considering subtraction. Example 1, simplify 2311 in base 4 minus 213 in base 4. Solution. The question is, number 1, simplify 2311 in base 4 minus 213 in base 4. So we arrange this way, 312 in base 4. Subtraction sign is there. Now we subtract the first number here, and then we have 1 minus 3. Please note this, we are in base 4. So since we are in base 4, whatever we are doing to do was go within this 4. So we have 1 minus 3. 1 cannot subtract 3, okay? So what do? Come to the next number and take 1. That one you're taking is like taking 4. Alright? If you attach, take 1 from here, that one will let you is 0. And if you attach, that one is, if you take 1, it's like saying 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 whole of 4. So if you attach 4 here, 4 plus 1 is 5. And what's left here is 0. So here 5 minus 3 gives us 4. Or 5 minus 3 gives us 2. Now remember that here was 1 before, and we took 1 away. So what is left here is 0. 0 minus 1 cannot. So what do? Come here and borrow 1. That one we're borrowing is like saying 1 whole of 4. So that is saying what's left here is 2. So that 1 whole of 4 is added to this 0 that was left here. So 4 plus 0 is 4. And 4 minus 1 gives us 3. Now what's left here is 2. 2 minus 2, 0. And 2 is already here, so we bring down 2. So the value becomes 2032 in base 4. Alright, so that's how to subtract in other bases. Next one says, if 3014 in base 5 equals 2112 in base 5 plus x in base 5, says what is the value of x? Now to solve this, for this to give us 3014, that implies that if we subtract 2112 in base 5 from 3014 in base 5, it will give us the value of that in base 5. So let's say that the question number 2, that implies s in base 5 will be equals to 3014 in base 5 minus 2112 in base 5. That's minus 2112 in base 5. And at this point, we will subtract 2112 in base 5 from 3014 in base 5. So that becomes 3014 in base 5 minus 2112 in base 5. Alright, let's subtract. Subtracting 4 minus 2 gives us 2. Subtracting 1 minus 1 gives us 1, rather 0. Alright, subtracting 0 minus 1, not possible. What do? Come to the next number, 3, and take 1, borrow 1. 1 that you are borrowing, each one you borrow is like saying borrowing a whole number, 5. So if you borrow 1 from here, that is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. What will left here will be 2. So 5 here minus 1 becomes 4. And what left here is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the result becomes 402 in base 5. Therefore, the value of x in base 5 becomes 402 in base 5. So the number x becomes 402. Alright, at this point, I want us to try this as our exercise. Let's subtract 10101 in base 2 minus 101 in base 2. Let's try this and drop the solution on the comment section.